In today's video, I'm going to share with you my empties. I really enjoy watching this kind of video because this is how I know what products people are loving. I am a creature of habit, so some of the things here are very repetitive because I tend to buy same things over and over again, but I will do my best to, after I finish the ones I'm using, look for other products to try. So let's start off with the French brand L'Occitane. This is the only hand cream that works for my dry hands. The scent is unique and very pleasant. Founded in 1976, so they definitely know what they're doing. They also have a private foundation to support the visually impaired people. So thumbs up with that. This is Sephora 10-Hour Wear Perfection Foundation in 25 Medium Beige Neutral. It's not empty yet, but it will be soon, so might as well include this here. It is the only color that matches my undertone. It's darker than my other foundation, but it gives brightness to my complexion. So this is for repurchase. Kiehl. Some of their products have paraben, but they said only in small amount. I'm not an expert, so I don't know how much is too much, but this feels good on my face. It has a very fine exfoliant, also gives a brightening effect on the skin. I can live without it though. I have other products that I like better, so I probably won't repurchase this either. Gosh, I have so many things to say about this brand. Tatcha. This is the only one I've tried in their collection, and it is by far the best cleansing oil I have ever tried. Tatcha gives a good, luxurious experience. I'm into recycling and making less waste, so I'm a sucker for beautiful packaging. This bottle sparks joy and elegance with its white and gold combination, so this will be put into good use. This is founded by Victoria Tsai, who suffered from acute dermatitis. In her travel to Japan, she discovered the less is more approach to skincare using gentle ingredients with maximum effectiveness. Their collection is inspired by the oldest beauty book written in Japan that is devoted to beauty and elegance both in appearance and in spirit. Isn't that interesting? Go check their website, you will learn more. 50 ml of this product for the price is a bit expensive compared to my Biore cleansing oil, but it has vitamin E antioxidant which helps fight free radical damage and diminish the signs of aging. So who doesn't want that? It also provides protective barrier to prevent moisture loss. What comes to mind when you hear about squalene? Shark liver oil? Well, this has phytosqualene, which in cosmetic industry comes from olive oil. So I think for the quality you will get good value, so I will repurchase this for sure. I've heard a lot about this Korean brand MISSHA. This makeup remover has oil floating on top of the other liquid, but is not greasy to the skin. I think this is a good one, but I can't find any retailer for it in my area, so I think I'm going to stick with my Biore for now. But the bottle is good for travel, very good size, so I will reuse this for my toner. Speaking of bottles, this is a good one. This has a part where the last drop of liquid is collected in that little area just under the spray nozzle. Kinda neat, eh? Because you won't waste anything. I mean, you can pour the whole thing on your hands, but I think there's something in here that pumps air and makes it very foamy when it releases the product. The soap itself, though, I'm kind of iffy about. Ingredients not listed here, but it says anti-aging, antioxidant, and revitalizing. But I don't like the scent. It also gives a tightening effect to my skin, so maybe not for repurchase. Another Olehenriksen for me. This one is legit. Gotamista, another YouTuber, has an in-depth content on vitamin C skincare, but this one is not on her list. Gotta find out what is up with that. But the bottle is just the right size for other serums, so definitely will recycle. So this is quite nice, Dove serum for hair, but I won't repurchase this because it's not available in my area, and secondly, I prefer the cream one, so this will be in the trash. Kiehl's eye cream, a good product for under eye dark circles according to Kathleen Lights, but not for my eye bags. Can't be recycled, so bound to trash. The best mascara for holding the curl. It has fiber to volumize, but I plan to recycle the wand and use it with hairspray to brush on my baby hairs for clean and sleek ponytails. Maybelline. I purchased this over and over and over again. It's cheaper than L'Oreal, but equally as good as MAC. Definitely will repurchase because I love gel eyeliner over anything else. This has a good staying power, but gentle when you take off your falsies, so definitely will repurchase. This one has mineral oil, which is derived from petroleum. People have different opinions about petroleum, but I will do more research about it. I don't like the shape of the bottle, and the spring in here makes it so hard to pump. And if I pump too hard, the amount of product can't be controlled. That part sucks, but I like the smell though. I thought it was lavender, but it's not. I repurchase this every time I run out, but I'm not sure of mineral oil this time. I would probably look for another product to try. So let me know if you have any suggestions. My favorite Escanol when I was 16 was the pink color Escanol Essentia B that was discontinued. It was amazing on my younger skin though, but it contains alcohol, so I will try to find another alternative. Bottle is plastic and flat, so probably not good to repurchase. Need I say more? I mentioned this so many times in my other video. It is legit too. Can't get enough of these. It is Essence, and I put it under my moisturizing sunscreen. Of course, if I can, I will repurchase this and definitely recycle. So that is it for my Empties video. Have you tried any of these? What are your favorites? Please write it in the comment section. Also, click subscribe if you want a video like this and notification bell so you will be the first to know every time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching and hope to talk to you next time. Bye!